Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. We have like a lot of package from Meesho. So this is my first time doing a Meesho haul, so I hope you guys will love it. I have all the items that I've got from Meesho till now, and let me tell you, almost 95% of them are so good. The quality, material and everything is good. That's why I'm doing my first Meesho haul. So firstly, I'm starting up with all the accessories, bags, footwear and everything, and then we are going with the top, trousers and kurta set, which has been so good from Meesho. A few of the items are also from Ajio, and so I've included in this haul because they are also available on Meesho. Let's get in with this video. So first we have this bag, which has been like so viral. I've seen it on Instagram and various places. Really like this one strap kind of thing going on, and the color is so pretty. I always had like a brown and black bags, but never a green one. That's why I've gone for this. Even the space is pretty good. You cannot add up your laptop for sure, because I think I also have a 14-inch one which does not fit in this, and it also doesn't have like a zip kind of thing, so it is more like a casual bag which you can carry for like short trips and everything. So this is perfect for that. You also have an adjustable strap. Overall, I love the quality, I love the color, and so I got this bag just for rupees 370. Then I've got like an amazing pair of sunglasses from Meesho, and I've already told you guys about this. It has been as my top sunglasses for this summer. The transy effect makes me just go awe, and the headband feel is so good. I got this one for just rupees 150, and I think it has more colors like white, black. Next we have an amazing pair of footwears that I got this year from Meesho, and it is this white wedges. They look super good. I think a white pair is something, along with a black pair we must have a white pair. The best part about this, that the sole is spongy. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. This particular shape of the wedges makes it look so good. It was also one of my reasons to go for this pair. I got this for just rupees 450, so it's a steal deal. Then I have another pair which I recently got, and I was like looking forward to this pair as well. So I wanted like a very basic pair of footwear, and it is this one. The best part is it is black. It has double strap. This can go so well with your casual outfits. I got this one for just rupees 250. Now it's time for some top and trousers. My first ever purchase from Meesho was this top. Well, I was not quite satisfied with the quality. After wearing this, it looks so good. I think this goes perfect with your formal wear. I wore this with a brown trousers, and this looks breathtaking then. Although the quality, which is what I'm talking about, it makes me a little uncomfortable. Not a bad choice, and I got this one for just rupees 300. Another top that I recently bought was this striped one. It has been so comfortable. It is a stretchable material, as you guys can see over here. This looks perfect for summers. It just hugs your body, and the best part is it is also a crop one. We only like long tees that are baggy and not the fitted ones, so it was a good choice. I think as a crop t-shirt, this just looks so good. So it is also one of the best purchase I have from Meesho, and I got this for just rupees 200 in size medium. Next I have got is this full sleeve top. I think I ordered this around February. The material of this is good. It doesn't make you uncomfortable. The best part is the neckline, which is square. It's not too deep. The color and everything about this top is so good that you just don't need whether to buy it. I think it is kind of a must-have. So these were the top. Now we are going in with the denim sections. I got this denim from I think Coty only, which is like a famous brand on Flipkart, Amazon and everywhere. So this I got for rupees 500 from Flipkart, I think, and the same one is available on I think Meesho for just rupees 450. The best part is the fitting is good overall, but the color is black wash, which is not like a proper grayish one and not a black one, just the perfect medium color that you want. Next I got so this is a trouser from Ajio. So this is a trouser that I got with the idea that it might not be good because reviews are nahi the. The material is stretchable, but this pant is super comfortable, not transy, nothing bad about it. The quality is just not of trousers. That is the only part which is wrong. So you can definitely add this as your go-to travel trouser or something like that. Looks like a straight fit pant. I've also ordered one thing from Ajio, which is this night suit that I'm in love with. It is not only about the color. The material is cotton, best for summers. If you buy this from Flipkart, you can also get this in a lower range. From Ajio, I got this for rupees 600, and on Flipkart it was around 450, and they have like a lot of pattern on Flipkart, so you guys can go with that. Not available on Meesho, let me tell you all. Now that we are done with trouser, denims, night suit, tops and everything, time for the best purchase from Meesho, hands down, because every kurta set that I have bought from Meesho has been 5 out of 5. This particular set on Meesho has been like viral. With every other haul that I have been watching of kurta set has this particular set. The best part about this was lace work, and it is a V-neck. I think a different pattern is also available on Myntra with like full sleeves and a dupatta and everything, but this set is only about the kurta and your trousers. This was just for rupees 400, which is like so good because it is a cotton blend, not like a pure cotton, but it is also not uncomfortable at all. Satisfied with this outfit. Next, I got this kurta set from my mother. I have not tried this set because I've got this for her. I was blown away because it was a pure cotton material. It has like this Naira cut, or the type of cut which is going on right now, Naira or Alia cut kind of a thing. So it has this beautiful work. Even if you want to buy for yourself, there are small, medium and large size available, so you guys can go with it. I've seen people buying this, and after that only I've purchased this one. The dupatta is also very soft. It has this silver lace detailing, and we have got the pajama with the detailing of this lace work. So overall it is a great set, and even my mother loved this one. Lastly, we have a kurta set that I got delivered for myself yesterday only, and oh my god, I never knew the anarkali suit in just rupees 600 can be this good. The border work is amazing in this. The length of this is amazing. You guys can see this over here only. The fit is so perfect. I think I don't need to apply dupatta because उसके बिना ही इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ये. I wanted like a white anarkali, और इस पे शायद चिकन वाला वर्क है, but not a proper chicken because वो थोड़ा सा महंगा भी आता है. So I think वो proper नहीं है, but दिखने में and everything is top notch about this set. We didn't got like a trouser or something. So yeah, this is all what I got from Meesho till now. I feel really amazing when I spend on something which is most useful, and I continue to keep buying from Meesho and show it to you guys. All am I getting? This has been the perfect haul I think I've ever done. For now, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. We are also coming up with some travel content, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel below. Comment it down which is your favorite product out of the haul, and if you want to know something about the size or pricing or anything about this product, I will get back to you shortly. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.